Hey fam, welcome back to Ethereal Dust. This is Kshemda Virda and आज का topic is what is psychology? So let's get started. So basically, psychology was originated in Austria and its definition can be derived from the division of word psychology into two other words, that is psyche and logos. Psyche means soul and logos means study. So the primitive definition of psychology is that it is the study of soul. Lekin, after many researches, the researchers have made out a new definition, and it is that psychology is the study of human mind and behavior. So now psychology is divided into two other streams, that is pure psychology and applied psychology. Pure psychology deals with the theoretical framework and principles of psychology. Pure psychology can basically not be applied in the real world and thus it is a different stream in psychology. Applied psychology is the application of theories and principles of psychology into the real world. So the divisions of pure psychology are general psychology, abnormal psychology, physiological psychology, parapsychology, experimental psychology, developmental psychology, social psychology, and geological psychology. The divisions of applied psychology are political psychology, criminal psychology, legal psychology, educational psychology, military psychology, clinical psychology, and industrial psychology. Now let me give you a brief description of each of them. So let's start with general psychology. The definition of psychology is that it is a survey of the major psychological topics, theories, and approaches to the scientific study of behavior and mental processes. So, general psychology, it includes the overall psychology of a human mind. That is, what do you think, what do you perceive, आपके senses कैसे काम कर रहे हैं. So basically, general psychology covers the overall psychology of a human mind. The next is abnormal psychology. So the definition of abnormal psychology is abnormal psychology is a branch of psychology that deals with the psychopathology and abnormal behavior, often in a clinical context. The term covers a broad range of disorders, from depression to obsessive compulsive disorder, that is OCD, to personality disorders. So abnormal psychology is the psychology of brain under some disorder. Like अगर एक इंसान को डिप्रेशन है तो ड्यूरिंग दैट डिप्रेशन फेज वो क्या करता है, क्या सोचता है, क्या परसीव कर रहा है, ऑल ऑफ दैट कम्स अंडर abnormal psychology. In the same way, if someone has OCD मतलब क्या, सिंपली अगर मैं समझाऊँ तो कुछ लोगों को होता है कि हर जगह सब कुछ मतलब क्लीन होना चाहिए, बार बार दे वॉश देयर हैंड्स, क्लीन एवरीथिंग अराउंड देम, एंड उन्हें एंग्जाइटी आने लगती है, उन्हें अजीब सा फील होता है इफ समथिंग इज डर्टी. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर, दैट इज OCD. तो उस कंडीशन के अंदर आपका ब्रेन कैसे परफॉर्म कर रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज abnormal psychology. The next is physiological psychology. So, physiological psychology is a branch of psychology that deals with the effects of normal and pathological physiological processes on mental life. In simple words, physiological psychology is a kind of a comparison between a normal physiology of human body and abnormal physiology of human body and how that affects your mental health. For example, if a person has high blood pressure, तो he is not normal, right, physiologically. तो उस high BP की वजह से उसकी mental health पे क्या असर पड़ रहा है, that comes under physiological psychology. Then, on comparison to someone mentally disturbed, उसका BP high है, उसकी anxiety जो आ रही है, like all of that of this particular disturbed person, उसकी फिजियोलॉजी कैसे उसकी मेंटल हेल्थ को अफेक्ट कर रही है, ये सब मिला के आता है इन फिजियोलॉजिकल साइकोलॉजी. So the next is parapsychology. Parapsychology is the study of alleged psychic phenomena and other paranormal claims. For example, those related to near-death experiences, synchronicity, etc. It is considered to be pseudoscience, and a vast majority of mainstream scientists reject it. Okay, so parapsychology, it basically means something that you cannot understand scientifically, but you can feel it. For example, अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है that कुछ होने वाला है, अच्छा होने वाला है या बुरा होने वाला है, you don't know, you are clueless about that, but you know that कुछ होने वाला है. Yeah, you may call it anxiety, but sometimes it may be intuition. So that comes under parapsychology. Then if someone has near death experiences, for example, आपने ये सुना होगा कि कुछ लोग कोमा में चले जाते हैं and then उनको ये experiences होते हैं जो कि people say are near death experiences. Like some of them say कि मुझे bright white light दिख रही थी and I saw some door or something, something like that. So those near death experiences, all of that comes under parapsychology. इसके ऊपर मैं अलग से एक वीडियो बनाऊंगी, so we'll discuss it later. So up next is experimental psychology. Experimental psychology is concerned with testing theories of human thoughts, feelings, actions, and beyond. Any aspect of being human that involves the mind. This is a broad category that features many branches within it. Example, behavioral psychology, cognitive psychology. So basically, experimental psychology deals with the experimentations that are carried out with the human behavior or human feelings, human emotions, and human thinking, human thoughts, all of that. तो उसके साथ जो experiments किए जाते हैं, those come under experimental psychology. Next is geological psychology. So, geographical psychology examines the links between location and psychological phenomena, such as how and why personality traits, life satisfaction, and social behavior differ from place to place or cluster in certain areas. So, geological psychology, it deals with the psychology of people in a particular place. Like how do Africans think, how do Indians think, how do Americans think, or if a person shifts from one place to another, then how will their psychology change, how will their mind be affected through the geology. That comes under geological psychology. Next is developmental psychology. Developmental psychology focuses on human growth and changes across the lifespan, including physical, cognitive, social, intellectual, perceptual, personality, and emotional growth. So developmental psychology होता क्या है? It is a psychological changes that take place जब आप एक न्यूबॉर्न होते हो, then you become an infant, then a child, then adolescent, and then adult. तो उसके बाद आप आपके माइंड में जो चेंजेस आता है, या तो ये सारे स्टेजेस में आपकी क्या मेंटल हेल्थ कैसे चेंज हो रही है, हाउ आर योर थॉट्स चेंजिंग. So everything like this comes under developmental psychology. Up next is social psychology. So social psychology is a branch of psychology which is concerned with how social influences affect us, how people think, feel, and act. The way we perceive ourselves in relation to the rest of the world plays an important role in our choices, behaviors, and beliefs. So here comes the concept of लोग क्या कहेंगे. Okay, so social psychology deals with your mind when you are in public. How people affect you. That is what comes under social psychology. अगर आपको किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो how will you react? That comes under social psychology. तो हमने यहाँ प्योर साइकोलॉजी को ब्रीफली डिस्कस कर लिया है. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, a sub would be appreciated. Now see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.